Welcome to the 100-Day Spanish Challenge by Touri. I'm Mark, and this is day one of the challenge. If you haven't subscribed yet, you can find the link down below to join the challenge and follow along. I'm going to start by saying the Spanish word, the masculine and feminine, at a normal pace, and then break it down into syllables. Let's get started. Abierto, abierta, ah-bee-ehr-toh, open. The store is open all day. La tienda está abierta todo el día. Abogado, abogada, ah-boh-gah-doh. He dismissed his lawyer in the middle of the trial. Despidió a su abogado en el medio del juicio. Abrir, ah-breer, to open. I want to open a bottle of wine. Quiero abrir una botella de vino. Abuelo, abuela, ah-bway-loh, grandfather, grandmother. My maternal grandfather is the wisest man I know. Mi abuelo materno es el hombre más sabio que conozco. Aburrido, aburrida. Bored or boring? Are you bored? Then come with me to the movies. ¿Estás aburrido? Pues ven conmigo al cine. Acabar, acabar. To end or to finish. I finished my classes in June. Yo acabo mis clases en junio. Aceite, aceite. Oil. I prefer to cook with coconut oil. Prefiero cocinar con aceite de coco. Acompañar, acompañar. To go with or to accompany. Can I go with you to the store? ¿Te puedo acompañar a la tienda? Acordarse de. Acordarse de. To remember to. Remember to turn off all the lights before you leave. Acuérdate de apagar todas las luces antes de salir. Actividad. Actividad. Activity. What activities do you enjoy doing on the weekend? ¿Qué tipo de actividades te gusta hacer en los fines de semana? And that's it for day one of the 100-Day Spanish Challenge. Remember, if you haven't subscribed yet and you'd like to follow along, you can find the link down below. See you again soon. Adios.